From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Friday afternoon, State College. I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver. It's finally Friday evening, which means it's the weekend. And to start off our weekend with the view outside of Beaver Stadium, it looks more dreary than it actually is outside. It is pretty nice outside, and that temperature of 43 degrees as of Q4 this afternoon. Feels like 37 though, and that is because we have a wind north at 12 miles an hour. But our weather headlines for this afternoon: Happy Groundhog Day. And the groundhog says that winter is canceled because he did not actually see a shadow this morning, which means we're going to have an early spring. So I'm very happy about that. And it certainly is going to feel like spring, as we will have sunny and spring-like days ahead this week. But with the sunshine, it certainly brings an end to our cloudiness. In fact, over 71% of January was cloudy, which is the third cloudiest on record, and this is from the Iowa Environmental Mesonet. But our temperatures across the region right now: 43 degrees in State College, 41 in Clearfield, 40 in Du Bois, but it is certainly feeling a little cooler than it is across the region, and this goes for across the state too, with 33 degrees in Erie, 43 degrees in Pittsburgh, and Harrisburg and Philadelphia, once again the warm spots of the state, sitting in the mid-40s. But there is a bit windy out there, so it is feeling a little nippy out there because of the wind, which is bringing our temperatures down a bit. We have wind speeds around 9 to about 12 miles an hour across the state this afternoon. But the good news is that's going to die down. And you can see on satellite and radar, nothing to be seen across the state this afternoon. Maybe a few sprinkles, but I don't think that is reaching to the ground, and just a few clouds on our visible satellite picture. If we zoom out across the entire region, we can see that there really isn't much weather to talk about across the region. Maybe some few rain showers across the Midwest, but otherwise nothing over in the eastern portion of the country. And as we go forward in time, again, as we go throughout the day and into tomorrow, the clouds will finally disappear and Mr. Sun will be back out. We sure did miss him, and that will continue to be the case throughout the weekend, and into Sunday as well. And in fact, this will continue to be the case throughout most of next week. As we go through Monday, Tuesday, again, no clouds, but then Wednesday, look at that, there's some clouds moving back in, so it's going to be cloudy once again on Wednesday. But at least the temperatures will climb up a little bit, so at least we'll have that to compensate for the clouds. But bringing it back to tonight, the clouds will begin to dissipate tonight with a low of 34 degrees tomorrow morning. And for the day tomorrow, we are sitting at a high of 40 degrees, and Mr. Sun is once again back outside. We sure did miss him, with a north wind at 6 miles an hour. And your 7-day forecast, again, look at all of that sun from Saturday until Tuesday. Sunny skies, temperature in the low to mid-40s until we get clouds on Wednesday, but at least the temperatures will continue to increase until we get to Friday, which is the last day of the forecast period. We are sitting at a cloudy day with a high of 54 degrees. From the Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver. Enjoy your weekend.